If something is legal and I decline to perform my duties, then it's as if I were saying, marumi yan, ayaw kong pumasok dyan, bahala na kayo sarili nyo, basta ako magpapakalinis. I've always been against that philosophy since when I was immigration commissioner. That's why I was so repulsive and obnoxious. Dahil hindi ako kontento na hindi ako tumatanggap. Kung hindi talagang habulin ko ang mga tumatanggap, dahil wala naman akong silbi sa publiko, kung hindi ko tanggapin ang aking parte. You know why? Dahil ang parte ni Commissioner of Immigration, hatiin ng kanyang mga associate commissioners. Di para lang akong kaga. Oh, ganun din dito sa sistema na ito. Unless we stop pork barrel, this will continue forever and ever. We'll keep on having systemic breakdowns every couple of years. Kasi parang wala nang silang dinadyos eh. Parang wala nang rules. Tatakbo ka para magkaroon ka ng pork barrel. Pagkatapos, ang pork barrel mo, hindi talaga mo pinamimigay yan. Kukunti lang yan daw sa little crumbs that you give to the masses. Titago mo para bibilihin mo mga boto, para mas malaki ang pork barrel mo. Kung congressman ka o di maging senador ka, mas malaki pork barrel mo. So in effect, that becomes a raison d'etre. The reason for being of the legislator is so that he can avail himself of the pork barrel, which has nothing to do with legislation. When I was a new senator, I was so aggravated or irritated by this pork barrel system because every once in a while, Senate would write me and say, list your favorite pork barrel system. So I always said, anong criteria ko? It's not an intelligent process. It is so unintelligent. List your pork barrel project. Paano ko malaman? Sana meron kaming listahan. Here are the priority depressed areas.